Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Before we start every time here on this channel, I like to say something that is very important to us, okay, to every of us. This is just a personal take. It's not a financial advice. So investing is risky. Do your homework. When you look at this chart, Apple just finished its weekly losing streak, the longest since 2022, down from $280 to $250, almost, you know, almost 15, something like that, 40%. But I'm telling you right now, this drop is done. Okay. So I know that is very worrying when you are looking at the chart like this going down. Is it will it go up? When will it go up? My money, the money I've invested and everything. So don't worry anymore. This is done because we have this what we call the Fibonacci 8-week time window, and it's just landed because the classic Gantt reversal signal. Because we have the fundamentals which are solid, we have valuation near lows, Wall Street bullish, rebounds. The rebound odds are over 90%. This is very crucial because analysts are predicting that 90% of them are saying that the rebound are going to go higher. So this is a golden window. So don't panic sell. Stay with me. You're going to dissect exactly what is going to happen next. Okay, let's start with the real numbers and the big pictures. This recent news I want to talk about, emphasize it here. Apple Q1 earnings, strong iPhone 17 shipment to aid top line growth. The capacity is roughly near about 90 million units. Is way above expectation. China market recovering plus 5 to 10% year to year. Because we can see here the smartphone market with 20% share in calendar 2025 and shipment increased 10% year over year. The exact consensus estimate for fiscal first quarter iPhone net sales is pegged at 78 billion, suggesting roughly 30% year over year growth. Okay, let's look at the summary. When we look here, what we want to see is how Wall Street is evaluating the future target. You can see that it's going to $505 to $315. And when we see the analyst recommendation, hold, buy, strong buy, you can see that they're expecting us to start buying now. Okay, this is expert telling this. Wall Street are telling that the price will continue to go down, to go up. So based on the 8 straight weeks going down, analysts are now saying that it will go higher. And also with the recent shipment of the iPhone 17, the recent news about iPhone 17 asking the valuation growing, Apple is going to start going up. Like I was saying, this is actually institutional decision. Big banks like JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, these predictions are known by big financial analysts and everything. So the price here is most of the time, mostly 80 to 90%. The target is actually what is going to happen because they actually have best information more than us retail traders. So they have the recent news, what is happening behind the scene, what is the untold story and everything. So right now, based on what you have, the earnings of the iPhone 17 and everything, we know the price will start bouncing back because here we are saying buy strong, and the average is 315. So I know we have the fear, the storage chip cost, earning caution from Morgan Stanley, but that's a short-term tactical. The market already priced in it. So the fundamentals is strong. The catalysts are coming. AI, Siri, affordable iPhone 18, no new bad news ahead. So if you are just feeling the stress right now, like green screen, doubt, I've been there. The chart is about to show us the truth. So here we are on the chart. I know that if you are just someone who in fear, because emotion is actually driving a lot of us investors, and I just want you to know that it's the time of fear is over. Okay, and like I said, based on the earnings of today and the iPhone and everything, the price is 90% going up. 90%. The price is 90% going up. So let me show you why I'm saying that, because on the weekly time frame, we continue to have this beautiful uptrend. If you're not actually investing, what we can see that about this zone here is just a beautiful correction. because this have been happening like most of the time. The price corrects and before going higher, it's actually healthy to do that because we cannot just buy the gun and every time. So if we are here, that's why institutions are saying buy, because the price has to cool down first before going up. But we have to be cautious. You have to be cautious because here on the weekly, we can see something that we cannot see on the daily. On the weekly, if you are actually trying to listen to analysts, you buy because the expectation of the Morgan Stanley Bank are saying the price is about to go higher. It means break this level right here, break this level with momentum and target 315. That's what we're saying, and target 315. So based on that, we can just assume that right now, because the price hit this major level of support and resistance and has a big reaction, what we see is a big volume, what is very important, a big volume. So today, based on the earnings and everything, we expect a continuation because investors are stepping in. Sellers are cutting their loss, or if you decided to sell here, if you're just temporary or you're not holding, if so many people are just here expecting the price to dance like this and continue higher and higher because there's nothing, like I said, there's no bad news about Apple right now, no bad news. So we just expect the price to continue to go higher. But where do we enter is very important. Based on the price movement, we expect a movement like this because this level created a double top hitting a 200 moving average. Big rejection was created. Small retracement, but this retracement is important because it's a small dip to help us to enter easier. This level here going to be it. Because if we have a creation of another level, for example, if the price hit this level and go higher, we can enter here. Don't be afraid, guys, because if you are just trading with emotion, we never survive in this game. Because everyone is screaming buy. Big banks, institutions are screaming buy. So if the price come back here to retest this level, it's actually very healthy. It's a small dip before a big continuation. Target this level here. But like the bank are saying, the biggest target going to be probably $350. Okay, so if the target is here 315, I think it's okay. Another thing that is very important, guys, when we go on the weekly time frame, we see a beautiful channel right here. So I don't actually want you guys to worry because you can see this beautiful channel here is still respected. The price is still inside here. Even though I already mentioned that we are in the beautiful uptrend, we have to also help with some clarification, And right now, because of the earning comings, we have to exactly know where to enter. That's what I explained earlier. Okay, so what I expect you guys to do now is just to be patient because patience is key when it comes to investing. Okay, you have to respect risk, but you also have to know that this level is also very important because if the price come down here and break with volume, I think, it's going to be another story, But we work with percentage. Like I said, we have 19% saying we should buy. Okay, 90% saying we should buy. The price coming down here and continue. This is actually the story we all want. Okay, many people are entering, buyers are entering, sellers are cutting their loss and everything. So the most likely scenario is this one. Tonight we will see exactly what is happening. My read after 15 years is this age. My read after 15 years, okay, this is just a shakeout. China recovery plus iPhone 17 demand, earnings of January 29. All odds are heavily favor up. The chart says rebound is coming. So don't worry, guys. We are all in it. We are all in it. We all invested here. Yeah. So let's just be patient and wait for tonight's result. The bottom line is this, guys. Apple's 8-week drop is over. Fibonacci windows hit. Fundamentals is strong. The chart are setting up for a rebound. If this helps you see clear, smash like right now. Remember, we are targeting 500 likes. I know it's unusual because I'm just a new channel. I know many will just watch it and they won't even listen to this last part. I'm sure about it. But hit that like button, guys. It will really help me. So type 1 if you are holding through it, and type 2 if you sold, type 3 if you are buying the dip, or drop your cost basis. I'll shout some on the next video. Subscribe and hit the bell. Join the member group for exclusive level and alerts. Don't mix the rebound. Talk to you soon, guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.